In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur a specific part of your video using KineMaster app. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to blur a specific part of your video, it is quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to go to this wheel here and then tap on layers, and then this will open this wheel. Under this, go ahead and tap on effects, and as you can see here, we have quite a number of effects. To blur a specific part, go ahead and tap on basic effects, and we have here two options, either the first one or the mosaic one. So I like to go ahead and use the mosaic, so I'll tap on it and it will be added on my video. You can see it has been added. However, I like to blur only a specific part. However, if you want to change this blur, maybe you want to switch to Gaussian blur, you can as well just select it and it will be chosen. So if you only want to blur a specific part, for instance, you want to blur the smartphone, you can just resize this using this resize icon here and then drag it wherever you want. So I'll go ahead and minimize this so that it fits the size of the phone. And I think here we go. And look at that. Now I have blurred everything that is on the phone. If I go ahead and tap out, you can see now that has been blurred. Now, once you have added your blur effect, it is time to go ahead and determine how long the blur should be applied. If you want to apply it to the whole video, you can go ahead and drag the blur effect from the beginning to the end here. And here we go, like that. And it will be applied to the entire video. So if I go ahead and play the whole video, you can see the blur effect has been applied. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.